Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing Johnny Blamer. Woohoo! Now here's what his Meet the Cars bio says. Johnny Blamer is simply one of those cars other racers love to crash into. He's been involved in more collisions than any other car in Piston Cup history, earning him the nickname Magnet Face. He's also known as the hardest working car on the circuit. Though he hadn't finished a race in 10 years he's been competing, he holds the record at 545 starts and 0 finishes. Very nice. I love him. Do I? Yeah, I don't know. Here's his trivia. Despite his car finding the game by mentioning him have a grill, he did not. He gained the new artwork for the 2017 diecast release. By an accident, his eyes were bigger in the 2017 artwork. And it is very possible that the Dynaco 400 in cars was the very first race he ever finished in his entire career, essentially breaking his record at 545 starts and 0 finishes. Very nice, Johnny. That's why I love you. Sorry, not in that way. Well, let's have a good look at him now. Not in that way as well. Don't take that out of context. Now, as you can see, very intricate, very detailed. So he has trees, forest, which is quite understanding since it is dirt decals. And number 54 in yellow, slightly slanted like a Dale Jr.'s 8. Check out the review for him. Grey rims, again, like Dale Jr. Sorry. Let's get on to the back. Here we go. Got more of a foresty design. 54 on his left. Left brake lights. Let's see on the other side. Faux Wheel Drive, white bonnet, yellow, sorry. Dirt decal, and then actually see tyre treads on it. Which, well, I'm assuming is Faux Wheel Drive itself. Is it? Well, it's a possibility, yes. 54 on his roof, again with more Faux Wheel Drive. Probably, possibly, I don't know. And let's see, that's pretty much all there is to say. Goodbye, my precious!